Let's walk through embedding a video with DataBridge. First, add a label to identify your entry. Then, write a description. Choose the type of content you want to embed. In this case, select YouTube video. Now decide where it should appear. Across all records and objects, in the current deal, or based on a filter you define. When you create a filter, you'll see a list of conditions such as is equal to, is known, is unknown, is greater than, and others. If the record meets the filter requirements, you'll see a confirmation that it's valid. In this case, the video will be displayed. If the record does not meet the filter, the video won't appear. But as soon as it matches, the content will show up automatically. Once the filter is ready, click Submit. Then paste your video link. Finally, save your changes. You can also preview the video by clicking Show Model to open it in a modal window, or view it in a separate tab, for example, directly on YouTube. And that's it. Your video is now embedded and available right inside HubSpot with DataBridge.